What's up, everyone? Happy Tuesday. Good morning to everyone. This is my first initial vlog. I am currently driving to downtown Boston to meet up with someone I just met through Arlen Moore's Maxi program. We are going down to shoot some awesome pictures. We're gonna get a little vlogging of the day. I actually tried to shoot on my camera just a bit ago, and it was going crazy over the dash, so I couldn't do that. So that's why I just hopped on the phone just to get a better angle, better stability, stuff like that. So I hope you guys are having a good start to the week. Let's see, I've been listening to the 80-20 principle. It's a very good book. Highly recommend you guys read that. It's about how to get more with less. Basically talks about how you put in 20% inputs, or 20% of the inputs get you 80% of the outputs. So you put in less work to achieve more and higher and achieve your goals. So I will check back in with you guys when we get to Boston. So yeah. What's up, guys? We are on a mission. We just absolutely lost my drone. I was flying it, and now we gotta go find it. Lost a $1,000 drone in the city of Boston. So let's go find it. Yeah, so we just got here. Met up with my good friend Jake. It is freezing cold over here. I think it's like 20 degrees. But I'll give you guys a little shot of, maybe not, of the city behind us. Pretty good city. Yes, so let's go find this. I don't know how we're gonna get over there. Maybe we'll get over there somehow. Oh. Whew. Yeah. All right. I think I see it. I think we have spotted the drone. The missing piece. But yeah, I will check in with you guys in a little bit. We're just gonna go around shooting. Try to get a picture of, where is it? Oh, we can't see it. Of that ribbon behind us because of Christmas. But yeah. What's up, guys? So we just got done with, what is it? The Salty Girl?
The Salty Girl.
The Salty Girl, yeah. It was a great burger. We got Jake here in the hustle.
What up?
We're going to Lulu now, just walking down Newberry Street.
Because we're preppy and bitchy like that.
We're checking out the new stores, checking out all the fancy cars we got down here. Yeah, we just been talking business at lunch. We're gonna go shoot more later on here. But it's still freezing cold.
Oh shit.
Got colder since this morning.
It's really fucking cold.
I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit.